You're floating in open water. No land in sight. The sky is blue, the surface is calm, and for a moment, it almost feels peaceful. It's not. Below your feet, the ocean drops 36,000 feet into absolute darkness. The water temperature is already pulling heat from your body. Something 200 feet beneath you just picked up the electrical signal your beating heart is broadcasting, and you have no idea. This is how the ocean kills you. Not all at once, in layers. Let's start at the surface. The moment you enter open ocean, your body begins losing heat 25 times faster than it would in open air. The water doesn't feel cold at first. That's the problem. Your body pushes warm blood to your core to protect your vital organs, abandoning your arms and legs. This is called cold shock. Your muscles start to seize. Your breathing becomes involuntary, sharp, uncontrolled gasps. In 60-degree water, you have maybe 30 minutes of useful movement. In 50-degree water, that drops to 15. In 40-degree water, you're incapacitated in under 5 minutes. The Titanic sank in water that was 28 degrees Fahrenheit.
Most passengers didn't drown. They were dead from hypothermia within 15 minutes of entering the water. And that's before anything in the water notices you. In 1964, a researcher named H. David Baldridge analyzed 1,165 shark attack records for the U.S. Navy. What he found wasn't what anyone expected. Sharks weren't targeting swimmers. They were investigating. A shark's lateral line, a sensory organ running the length of its body, detects pressure changes in water from over a mile away. Your splashing, your irregular movement, your bleeding from a minor cut, all of it registers as a distress signal, the same signal a dying fish sends. The great white shark can detect 1 drop of blood diluted in 25 gallons of water. It can sense bioelectric fields, the tiny electrical charges every living creature generates, from several feet away, and it can reach 35 miles per hour in open water. You will not see it coming. You will not hear it coming. The attack lasts less than a second. But sharks aren't even the most dangerous thing in the ocean. Not by a long way.
Box jellyfish, Chironex fleckeri, the most venomous marine animal on Earth. Tentacles up to 10 feet long, carrying over 500,000 nematocysts. Microscopic harpoons that fire on contact and inject venom directly into your nervous system. The pain is described by survivors as the worst physical sensation a human being can experience. Cardiac arrest can follow within 2 minutes. There is no warning. You swim into one in the dark water and it's already over. They produce no sound, no movement visible from the surface. In northern Australian waters, they peak in the exact season when the water feels warmest and most inviting. In the open ocean, you'd be lucky to see one before you touched it. You wouldn't. But let's say nothing bites you, nothing stings you. You stay perfectly still to conserve heat.
Now, the ocean uses time. Dehydration at sea is a particular kind of cruelty. You are surrounded by water, and you cannot drink any of it. Seawater contains roughly 3.5% salt. Your kidneys can only produce urine with a maximum salt concentration of about 2%. Drinking seawater forces your kidneys to pull water from the rest of your body to flush the excess salt. Every sip accelerates your dehydration. Sailors stranded at sea have gone mad from it, hallucinating land, drinking from the ocean desperately, dying faster than those who drank nothing at all. Without fresh water, you're dead in 3 days, less if the sun is out. And the sun, the open ocean offers no shade. UV reflection off water is nearly double what you'd experience on land.
Severe sunburn within hours. Your skin stops being a protective barrier. You lose fluid through it. Your body temperature climbs. Hyperthermia, the opposite of hypothermia, kills just as fast. Your brain starts misfiring. You make bad decisions, swimming when you should float, panicking when you should slow your heart rate. The ocean doesn't need teeth to kill you. It just needs patience. Go deeper, and the killing gets more creative. At 33 feet below the surface, the pressure doubles. At 100 feet, it's 4 times what it is on land. Nitrogen in your blood starts behaving differently under that pressure. If you descend too fast or come back up too quickly, the nitrogen forms bubbles inside your body, inside your joints, your spinal cord, your brain. This is decompression sickness, the bends. The bubbles expand as you rise, blocking blood flow, destroying tissue, causing paralysis, stroke, death.
The treatment requires a pressurized chamber most people are nowhere near when it happens. Divers have been found dead at depth with full tanks of air, not from running out of oxygen, from nitrogen narcosis, a pressure-induced intoxication that feels, survivors report, exactly like being drunk. You lose judgment. You forget which way is up. You keep going deeper instead of rising. The ocean used your own biology against you. Below 600 feet, sunlight disappears entirely. Below 3,000 feet, the pressure is 90 times surface level. No human being, unprotected, survives it. The darkness down there is total, and it is full of things that evolved over hundreds of millions of years, specifically to hunt in it. The anglerfish lures prey with bioluminescent light. The giant squid has eyes the size of dinner plates, the largest eyes of any living animal, built to detect the faintest bioluminescent glow from predators approaching in absolute blackness. The fangtooth fish has teeth so long it can never fully close its mouth. These animals have never seen sunlight. They have never needed to. They live in a world of pressure, cold, and darkness so complete that their only evolutionary imperative was to find and kill whatever moved near them. We have explored less than 20% of the ocean floor. We don't know what else is down there. Here's what the ocean actually is. It covers 71% of the Earth's surface. It averages 12,100 feet deep. It contains 97% of the planet's water. And almost none of it was designed with you in mind. Every layer has a different way to end you. The surface takes your heat. The shallows attract things with far more evolutionary experience than you. The mid-depths bend and poison you from the inside. The deep kills you with pressure before you ever see what lives there. The ocean is not hostile. It's indifferent. And that's so much worse. You weren't built for it. You were built for land, for fresh water, for air.
Every second you spend in open ocean is borrowed time against a system 4 billion years older than your species that has absolutely no interest in whether you make it back. The water is calm. The sky is still blue. And you are already running out of time.